Ted, happy birthday! Your age 66. Manin 50. Ibidagan, salamat sa inyong handog. Para sa amo. Happy birthday, Joel.
Hello, Len and Ted. Happy birthday. Hinatunta, hatagan mo taas pa kinabuhi. O, maayong panglawas. Enjoy life. And God bless. Happy birthday, both of you. Wish you good health. Maura, salamat.
New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Magtutong manong.
Happy birthday! Upload sa Bukuhan from Marilyn sa Bukuhan. Happy birthday! Ang kultidan, tagaan kami Bukuhan.
English ako, hindi ka sabot.
Wala yung baldo.
Baldo. Na.
Len, happy birthday. Salamat sa tanan. Happy birthday, both of you. And enjoy your more blessings to come and enjoy your Natal Day.
Happy birthday, Uncle Daddy and Mama Malin.
Sige na. Sige na. Happy birthday, Mama Malin. Happy birthday, Uncle Ted. Happy birthday.
Auntie Malin and also ni Uncle Ted. Enjoy your day. Robert gusto ka. God bless.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Malin and Uncle Ted. What a special day celebrate together. Happy birthday. Salimot mo.
Happy birthday, Ante! Happy birthday, Uncle Ted! God bless you always! Good health! Maura to.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday sa inyo dua.
Happy birthday, Auntie Malin and Uncle Ted. What a wonderful blessing to share. Same special day. Wishing you both good health, happiness, and life. Time filled with love, laughter, and beautiful memories together. Happy birthday, Ate.
Happy birthday, Mama Malin.
Thank you sa food.